Hello everybody, and welcome to my world. To all my new friends, let me introduce myself. I'm Rudolph the Reindeer, and I will be your host today. To my returning friends, I hope that you liked my previous video, called Winter Wonderland, Fantastic Sweden, and if you did, I think that you will enjoy this new video too. This new video is all about Winter Wonderland in Norway. Time to enjoy the video, and I'll see you a bit later. Thank you for watching. Hi again my friends. When it comes to winter sport, Norway is one of the top countries. Especially in different skiing sports, like cross-country skiing, ski jumping, biathlon, Nordic combined and different alpine ski events, like slalom, downhill and super G, but also in different snowboard events. I will show you a few examples. Enjoy watching and I'll see you soon. Now I will show you some beautiful birds that can be seen during the Norwegian winter. Most birds will migrate to warmer countries during winter, but some will stay, even if it is cold and difficult to find food. Now it's time to have a look at some wild animals that don't mind the cold and lots of snow. First we will have a look at the musk ox, Ovippus moschatus. This is a very large animal and it can be very aggressive if one gets too close to it. The next animal is the well-known reindeer, Reindeer furtirandus. They can be found in the southern mountain areas and in the north of Norway, where most reindeers are owned by the Sami people. This is the wolf, Canis lupus. This top predator was hunted to almost extinction before it was protected by law in 1971. There are not many wolves in Norway today, due to that the government is reducing the numbers every year, to keep the total wolves in Norway at a very low level, mostly to satisfy sheep farmers and hunters, since they all hate the wolf. The last animal is the polar bear, Ursus maritimus. This is the largest extant bear species, as well as the largest extant land carnivore. Its native range is north of the Arctic Circle, and in Norway it can be found in the Arctic Norwegian archipelago of Svalbard. My dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I thank you all for watching. Since this is the last day of the year, I will end this video with a fireworks show, so please keep watching till the end. It's time for me to say goodbye, but hopefully will I see you all in the future.